Hello everyone. This is Dr. Jyoti Digulwani with the subject statistics. Now, our today's topic is weighted mean. What is weighted mean? Where you have to find out mean, but mean is defined with the help of weights. Means weights are going to be assigned over here. Now here we don't have to calculate the group data, only we have to calculate the ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, that is where only observations are given to us. So what is the formula of this weighted mean? So see here, it is denoted as x bar w. X bar w, that is our weighted mean, and formula for this is sigma wi xi divided by sigma wi. That means multiplication of wi into xi and total of that wi into xi, as well as it is divided with sigma wi, that is divided with the total of the weights. So in this way we have to calculate our weighted average mean. Now which kind of questions are given to us? So let us have a look. A candidate has got the following marks. Marks are given. In that, marks are given accounts 48, English 38, statistics 45, Hindi 25, economics 32 and Gujarati 35. In this way, marks are given for the different subjects. Now, what we have to do? Weight to the marks in accounts, statistics, economics and English double, and later on provide 1. Now here they have given the name of the subject where we have to provide weight to, and later on we have to provide weight as 1. Clearly in this question given what weight should be assigned. Then find out weighted average mean. When we have to find out weighted average mean, at that time they will clearly say us that what we have to define. So clearly it is mentioned over here, we have to define weighted average mean. Now let us put all these subjects into column 1 as it is given in our question. See, in our question subjects are given, that is account, English, statistics, Hindi, economics and Gujarati. So we have to put this all the subjects into column 1. So let us take a look. Here subjects are putted accounts, English, statistics, Hindi, economics, Gujarati. Then marks with that are also given. So next column we have prepared for the marks. So marks are putted in the sequence 48, 38, 45, 25, 32 and 35. Now when we put the marks, it is denoted as xi. Xi, that is our observation. Whenever we put any result or any observation which is given to us, it is denoted as xi. Then now next work what we have to do, we have to assign weights. Weights are already given in our question, that provide accounts, English, statistics, and economics too, and later on provide 1 1. So now this weight column 1 is denoted as W and weights are assigned according to information. Now what we have done over here, we have assumed that weight of anything is 1. मतलब एक यहाँ पे वेट अज्यूम करते हैं एंड देन इट्स डबल, तो उसका अगर डबल करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 2. तो वेट्स आर पुटेड एज पर द इंफॉर्मेशन इन अकाउंट्स, इंग्लिश, स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड इकोनॉमिक्स it is putted as 2, and in other subject it is putted as 1. Now next requirement is what? That is wi into xi. That means we have to multiply x with the w. So now multiply x with the w over here. So 48 into 2, 96, 38 into 2, then 45 into 2, 25 into 1, 32 into 2, 35 into 1. As you make the multiplication of wi into xi, do the total of all these values. So this is what? 376, which is denoted as sigma wi xi, as well as do the total of your weight. It is denoted as sigma wi. So total is received over here, that is 376 and 10. Now put these values into formula. Our formula is x bar w equals to sigma wixi divided by sigma wi, as we received the value sigma wi, sigma w 376 divided by 10. So our final answer is 37.6. So in this way we have to calculate our weighted average mean. In the same way, another example is also given with the marks. But now see, you can look at to the question that the following are the marks of the students of the subjects of English. From that we have to calculate arithmetic mean, weighted arithmetic mean. That means these marks are given and we have to assign weights. Now in this question, weights are not given us directly. In last question we have seen that weights are given to us directly, but here weights are not given to us. So when weights are not given to us, then what we have to do? Put the x, that is put the marks as it is, then in front of that put the weight. वेट कैसे रख देना है? डायरेक्टली 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 जितना हमारा वहाँ पे होगा वेट, उसको सिर्फ नंबर में लिख देना है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, यू नो इट वेरी वेल, that is xi into wi. The final column one you are going to get, it is wi into xi. Do the same procedure, put all the values into formula, so you will get the answer of x bar w. So in this way you have to calculate your other questions also, as it is given in your PDF. Now we have to calculate certain corrected mean. Now what is corrected mean? That when certain mistakes are done, at that time we have to improve that mistakes from the mean. So let us look to the question. The mean of 25 observation is 56. And later on it was found that two observations were wrongly taken as 64 and 14 instead of 46 and 40. Then find out the corrected mean. Now see, here it is mentioned that we have to find out corrected mean. Means weighted average mean nahi calculate karna hai. Whatever mean is given to us, we have to improve this mean. So see, here it is said that 25 observation mean is 56. Matlab 25 observation is denoted as 25 as n, and mean of that observation is 56, which is denoted as x bar. What we have done over here, we have putted this full question into short over here, so that easily we can do the calculation. So let us take a look again. Mean of 25 observation is 56. Mean, that is x bar is 56. How many observations are that? 25. So mean of our 25 observation is 56. Now here what happened, that two observations were wrongly taken as 64 and 14 instead of 46 and 40. So what we have done over here, we have put another two values. Wrong informations are 64 and 14, while right was 46 and 40. So this is our question in short. Now on the basis of this, we have to calculate our corrected means. So let us take a look how we have to do it. Put the simple formula of x bar. X bar equals to sigma x divided by n. Now what is x bar as given in the question? So x bar we have put it over here 56, n is given 25, so we have put it over here 25. Now sigma x is not given over here, so it is going to be defined by us. Now next step, what we have to do, 25 is over here is into division. We have to take it to the left hand side, so it will be multiply. तो क्या होगा, 56 into 25 equals to हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, sigma x. So over here our sigma x is 1400. Now next step, what we have to do is, in this sigma x, that is in this 1400, 64 and 14 is a wrong information and 46 and 40 is right information. So what we have to do, we have to deduct the wrong value and we have to add right value in the sigma x. So see what we have done over here, sigma x equals to 1400 minus 64 minus 14 plus 46 plus 40. Wrong information deducted, right information added. So over here our sigma x finally is received as 1408. See what is given in our question. We have to find out corrected mean. That means we have to do changes in the sigma x. Wrong information is to be deducted, right information is to be added. So our new sigma x is 1408. Now what we have to do, we have to put the same formula, only we have to add this word, that is corrected. So here we have added corrected x bar equals to corrected sigma x divided by n. Now see, there is a no change in the n. Why? Because two values are deducted, two values are added. So there is a no change in the n. So let us put this sigma x, corrected sigma x, over here 1408 divided by 25. So equals to, our answer is 56.32. So this is what our corrected mean. In this way, other examples are also given in your PDF. Go through it and calculate it. Okay, so in the next video, we will go with the more information. So till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.